In the heart of Basque Country, nestled between the verdant foothills and the azure sky, lay the peaceful town of Guernica. It was a place where life unfolded harmoniously, a beacon of tranquility in the turbulent milieu of Spain's tumultuous civil war. But the serenity of Guernica was shattered on a fateful day in April, as dark clouds gathered on the horizon, heralding an impending storm. The town was to become the unwitting stage for the most devastating act of aerial bombardment the world had yet witnessed. The year was 1937, and the civil war in Spain was raging. On one side stood the Nationalists, led by General Francisco Franco, their cause aided by Fascist Italy and Nazi Germany. On the other, the Republicans, backed by the Soviet Union, fought desperately to defend their cause. The Nationalists, under the command of General Gonzalo Queipo de Llano, saw Guernica as a strategic stronghold. They believed that by destroying the town, they could demoralize the Republican forces and gain a decisive advantage in the war. As the sun rose on April 26, the skies above Guernica were filled with the drone of engines. The townsfolk, unaware of the impending doom, went about their day. It was a beautiful day, the sun shining brightly, the birds singing their morning songs. Suddenly, the silence was shattered by the roar of low-flying bombers. The townsfolk froze in shock as they saw the swarm of Junkers Ju-52s and Heinkel He-111s, the emblems of German and Italian support for the Nationalists. The bombing began, raining down destruction on the unsuspecting town. Buildings crumbled, roads were torn asunder, and the once peaceful streets were filled with the cries of the wounded and the dying. The artist Pablo Picasso, who was in Paris at the time, was moved by the news of Guernica. He poured his anguish and outrage into a painting, capturing the horrors of that day in a way that would resonate around the world. The bombing of Guernica was a turning point in the Spanish Civil War, a stark reminder of the horrors of war and the disregard for civilian lives. The town was left in ruins, its spirit crushed beneath the weight of the destruction. The events of that day in Guernica serve as a stark reminder of the devastating impact of war, and the importance of standing against the indiscriminate use of force. The town was rebuilt, but the memory of that day lives on, a testament to the resilience of the human spirit in the face of adversity. The Destruction of Guernica, A Symphony of Terror, 1937, stands as a powerful narrative of a dark chapter in history, a testament to the destructive power of war, and a call to remember and learn from the past.